Right now, your business feels like a ball and chain. In 90 days, it could be a cash machine that prints money while you nap on a beach. Imagine your bakery at 11 p.m., flour on your cheeks, invoices scattered, your kid texting where mommy. That was me, until I discovered the 7-step Systemology Blueprint. Today you'll clone yourself, without hiring a single soul. Step 1, map the money trail, not every trail. Grab paper, write your dream client at the top, the one who pays fast and smiles wide. Now trace their journey, from stranger to superfans. Busy mom hears about your cakes at soccer practice. She dials your number. You chat sprinkles and themes. She pays a deposit. You bake. She picks up, posts photos, returns for the next birthday. 7 steps, no MBA jargon, just the path cash walks. Pause the video, jot your own client journey, 7 to 10 steps max. Step 2, find the natural, who already sparkles at each task. Draw 3 columns, step, best performer, headache level. Jenny charms on calls, Maria juggles schedules, Paul breaks everything tech. Highlight the headaches in orange, those are your first extraction targets. Step 3, capture brilliance on camera. Hit record, talk out loud, like teaching a friend over your shoulder. Upload the video to AI, ask it to write the steps. 60 seconds later, bingo, your first SOP draft. Document the 80% that works. Ignore the edge cases for now. Step 4, build your digital brain. One folder to rule them all. Inside, marketing, sales, delivery, finance, neat and tidy. Name files like recipes, how to handle a complaint, how to close a sale. New hire, hand them the drive. Say, here's how we think, independence granted. Step 5, live the system, every single time. Something breaks, don't blame Jenny, blame the checklist, improve it. Systems first becomes muscle memory, creativity frees up. Step 6, expand the empire, finance, admin, planning, hiring. Minimum viable systems, at least one in every department. Step 7, feed data to AI, let it spot the leaks. Track 5 numbers, inquiries, conversions, repeats, average order, profit. Find the lowest, ask AI, how might we double this metric? A 10% tweak in each lever compounds to 80% more profit. Recap, map, assign, extract, organize, integrate, expand, optimize. Start today, step 1, 15 minutes. Your future self is already sipping coconut water. If this helped, like, share, and drop your step 1 in the comments.